The future may feel expansive as you enter the next stage of your life. There are a ton of opportunities available. You can change your routine when you retire, whether you're excited to find a new hobby or just want to spend more time on the patio with your morning coffee. To make the most of the forthcoming years, the challenge is to figure out what you want to do, avoid protracted boredom, and concentrate on what's important to you. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you what to do when you're in retirement. Number 1, find a hobby. Try to explore some of the hobbies that interest you and that you might be able to continue even after retiring. When you're younger, we're constantly so busy because we have to work, have a social life, and sometimes we simply want time to ourselves. Start doing it now so you have something to look forward to later and so you can interact with others about your common interests. There are numerous interesting things that you can engage in to keep you active. They include gardening, painting, woodworking, knitting, music, scrapbooking, and other activities. Number 2, travel. Taking a trip is often at the top of many retirees' bucket lists. You'll have plenty of spare time once you retire, and what better way to spend it than traveling the world? Some folks even have a specific location in mind. Whether you're enjoying traveling during your working years or you never had the opportunity to travel overseas, now is your moment. And if you don't want to plan on your own, there are a lot of travel organizations that only fly seniors. Number 3, you can teach. Your life has been full of interesting experiences. You've seen and done a lot, and wisdom grows with experience. Go for it if you wish to continue teaching after retirement. There are numerous institutions and groups that require teachers, especially for the younger generation, who would definitely benefit from your broad expertise. You might deliver lectures, train pupils, and communicate important information. Some public, private, and even community colleges may have extra requirements, but they are not hard to meet. There are some chances without a teaching certification. In schools, there is a demand for tutors, teachers' assistants, and other jobs that don't always need experience teaching. Number 4, volunteer. This is an excellent example. Simply examine what you want to do and the groups with whom you want to collaborate before reaching out to them. There are various ways you can help. Volunteer at community centers, hospitals, and libraries. There are also chances to tutor children. The possibilities for a local volunteer organization are virtually unlimited. You can volunteer abroad if you don't want to help locally. Several groups fight for sustainable development in nations such as Cambodia, Bangladesh, and Africa, in addition to working in schools. Number 5, write. Writing a book does not necessitate a high level of knowledge. Go ahead and write whatever you like. You may compile all of your life experiences into a book about how to enjoy life to the fullest. You don't even have to want to write to be able to write. To type, you can use a laptop or even speech recognition software that says that writing about your life in a memoir could be very helpful for the people who read it. For first-time authors, it may be more difficult, but there are many websites that may help you get started, or you can continue with classes or workshops. Many of us aspire to write a book but fall short much too often. If you have a story inside you, all you need is a commitment to write a little every day, and your book will start to take shape before you know it. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. Number 6, take part in sports and keep fit. Many people didn't have time to play sports when they were working, so they might feel bad when they try to learn something that others have gotten good at over time. This should not be an impediment to participating in sports. Those who have done so in the past have reaped the rewards. Tennis, boating, biking, and fishing are just a few of these activities. Golf is also popular among retirees since it is a great way to get some exercise while interacting with friends and family. You can either walk the course or rent a golf cart. Consider driving if moving is tough. It is also a low-impact, entertaining, and competitive sport. Keeping active is one of the things that might help you enjoy your retirement in a variety of ways. You'll be healthier, more active, and have a more positive attitude. Aside from athletics, you can try Pilates, yoga, spinning, and other activities. Yoga is regarded as a suitable type of exercise for seniors, because there are no motions that could cause injury. Pilates is another excellent alternative for increasing flexibility. If you're a beginner, you may always join a class with an instructor to be guided through proper form and alignment, or you can do it at home using DVDs. Number 7. Get a part-time job. You may be asking why you left employment only to return, but one explanation could be that you require additional funds. It's also an excellent opportunity to begin something completely unconnected to what you've done previously. Getting part-time work allows you to get out of the house, connect with others, and earn a few dollars while still contributing to your income, 401k, and pension. You could work as an accountant, athletic coach, barista, nanny, or blogger if you have those skills. It is possible to locate fun and fulfilling employment at a beautiful site where you may interact with a large number of people while earning a little additional money. Number 8. Learn new things. Learning continues throughout our lives, and retirement is a good time to learn something new. Learning to play an instrument, for example, is amazing because you don't have to have a single musical bone in your body. The piano is a great place to start, or the guitar. It's never too late to learn a new language. It's especially beneficial for those who plan to travel. It's a fun activity that will keep your mind sharp. You could use apps like Duolingo and Babbel, or books, or CDs. A few words in any language go a long way, but the more you know, the better the experience. Imagine using your French to buy coffee in a cafe in France. Beautiful, right? You could try art. All you need is a pad and a few pencils to start. And you could learn online or at an ideal institution that offers reasonable lessons for seniors. There's so much more you could learn. Number 9. Keep in touch with friends and family. During your working years, you most likely did not have the opportunity to spend time with loved ones. Ties help you stay connected to the world and offer you a stronger sense of purpose. It's crucial to maintain these friendships. You may spend time with old friends and coworkers discussing a variety of various topics, and you may even schedule monthly get-togethers. Spending time with the younger generation is a good idea, as you're exposed to new things and they learn things from you as well. Retirement is a wonderful time to spend with the grandkids too, if you're blessed to have them. If you're able to have them, you can tell them all about your life. You can make new friends as well, especially if you move to a new place. Get out and meet new people. Go to popular hangout spots once in a while. Overall, the 9 best things that you can do in retirement are: find a hobby, travel, teach, volunteer, write, take part in sports and keep fit, get a part-time job, learn new things, and keep in touch with friends and family. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.